What a beautiful day for a walk.
And the flowers are blooming so nicely. Let's pick some for tea later.
This spot is perfect for our picnic.
It truly is so peaceful.
More fruit, anyone?
We're here. What a lovely day for a walk. It is, and the baskets are full.
Indeed, a perfect day.
Oh my, it's gone. Let me check mine.
This is unbelievable.
They're all disappearing.